In this video, we'll show you how Shop in Spacebring helps you give members a convenient way to buy everyday items. Shop is a simple storefront for one-off purchases, like snacks, beverages, and merchandise. It helps you offer a better member experience by making these purchases easy and self-service. Getting your shop ready takes just a few minutes, and managing all products is easy from one unified view. To add a product, upload a photo, enter a title, and write a description so customers have the information they need before buying. You can also organize products into custom categories to keep your shop easy to navigate. If a product comes in different options, such as t-shirt sizes or beverage variations, you can add them as well. For items with limited inventory, enter the stock quantity, and Spacebring will automatically mark them as out of stock when inventory runs out. Shop is the easiest way for members to buy what they need, right when they need it. Members can browse categories, view products, add items to their cart, complete checkout in just a few taps. After checkout, members can track the order status directly in the app, giving them visibility from purchase to fulfillment. On the admin side, you can view all incoming orders and key details at a glance. Use filters to quickly find the right orders. Update statuses as items are prepared or fulfilled. You can also edit products at any time and pin bestsellers to the top of the shop for more visibility. And when you want to promote a new product or a seasonal offer, Spacebring's AI agent can help you instantly generate a post for your community feed. With Shop in Spacebring, you can create a more comfortable member experience and offer small, everyday conveniences that make a big difference.